friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Do you left with scrap fabric more often? Well, if you do sewing at home, then you must be, but not to worry, because I'm going to give you best ideas to use them for your kurtis. So let's quickly jump to the video. So the first idea for using ikat fabric is to gather small pieces of the fabric in one place and make it a triangle or rectangular pattern piece, and use this patch to make a yoke of your plain or printed kurti. One thing to note here is that you should try to use contrast or bright colors to make this patch for a more attractive look. Also, you can put this patch in the back side of your kurti too. If you have a plain jacket kurti, then it's the best idea to attach a ikat fabric strip in the front side of your jacket like this. If you have a bigger piece of ikat fabric, then you can cut it in a rectangular, square or glass pattern shape and stick it onto your plain kurti, and you have a classy yoke pattern kurti ready with you. These kurtis are the best to wear in offices too. For a dramatic look, you can add some tassels in this patch also. With this patch, you can also do some more experimenting by turning it into an angaraka pattern with some more dories and tassels. Not only kurtis, but you can also try this patchwork in maxi dresses too by adding few small pleats in the front waist part of the patch like this.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.